Welcome to 1835 South Ocean Boulevard, Unit B, Delray Beach, Florida. Find your way home after a day of sun and fun with family and friends to your charming Seaside Dunes villa, just steps from the oceanfront. Located in beautiful Delray Beach, this pristine townhome is on a private strip of community-deeded beach access and boasts more than 1,800 square feet of living space. With a Key West flair, an inviting travertine marble front entry leads to a large living room with 10-foot volume ceilings, custom paint, and flooring throughout the lower level. With an open, great room-style floor plan, the first floor features a highly upgraded bright gourmet kitchen with custom-crafted breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. And the adjacent elegant dining area with bar is perfect for entertaining with true casual Floridian hospitality. The upper level features a sumptuous master suite with ensuite, and the smell of sea air invites relaxation in the late afternoon. And picture yourself sitting on the balcony in the evening, tropical drink in hand, and the sound of the surf rolling just off in the distance. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, the spacious home also offers plenty of room for guests and grandkids alike. The home also features a relaxed outdoor patio area, great for barbecuing, and a single-car garage with additional carport covered parking space. Find your way home to this charming Seaside Dunes villa and explore all the coastal Riviera lifestyle has to offer. 1835 South Ocean Boulevard, Delray Beach. Call Terry Story today at 561-945-4348 for an appointment to view this stunning property today.